Hi, I'm Chris, and today I'm going to be fitting a smoke and carbon monoxide alarm in my van. Better safe than sorry, so let's have a look at it. Got screws, which we don't use, and I've got these ones here, which are better. So, here it is. No else in the box, just instructions, we don't need that. That. It is. Looks quite fancy. Yes, it was very cheap. That's all I do, is cheap. Right. Let's put some batteries in and see which way up. Looks like it's making contact. Yeah. So it goes that way. Fancy. So, let's stick it on there and see how it goes. It's still counting down. I'll let you know, or not let you know, if it explodes. Lined up about there. Just put the first screw in, so I can put it on and twiddle it around to where, make sure I get it level. We're now down to 23 seconds before it explodes. So, let's get going. Put it on there. Ta-da! 8, 7, the suspense. 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's dead. Let's press the test button. We have a test button. Whoa. Definitely wide open. Well, if you need disco lights, there you go. Right, let's get the rest of the screws in. And that's all installed. Just pops off. Change batteries. Quite easy to do. That's the tank. It's got the test button on top. Right, works quite well and looks quite fancy. Nice grid outside. I've done it like 1 foot up, 1 foot down, sorry, from the top of the van, for the carbon monoxide that is. And also I've put it next to the door so I can open the door and let all the smoke out. And let the fire breathe. Yep. Right, if you enjoyed the video, get a thumbs up and follow for more. See you later.